Welcome back to this lesson, everyone. I'll be teaching you how to create an ebook using ChatGPT and Canva. So go over to Google. You're going to type in ChatGPT. All right. And when it leads you to ChatGPT, that's the one right there that says Open AI. So we click on that one. Ensure that you click on the one that says Open AI, okay? This one is unlimited, so you have to click on this one. Tap on Try ChatGPT. And if you don't have an account, you can just click on Continue with Google, and you will automatically sign in with your Google account of your choice. I already have an account, so it's going to take me to my account. And where you see what can I help you with, that's where you're going to type in your prompt. You're going to type your message right there and give the AI the command of what you want it to do. Alright, so I wanted to write an ebook for me. Let's see, what topic should I ask the AI to write about. Let me see. Alright, so I think I'm going to ask it to write an ebook about the dangers of drug abuse. Yes. Alright, so I'm going to type right here for the AI. Write me an ebook on the dangers of drug abuse. Okay. And let me see now. Must have. So you got to be in depth with your command for the AI. Okay. So for instance, you want the book to have 3 chapters. You type in how many chapters you want it to have. Now that I'm finished with that, I'm going to send it off. Hold on, let me write something else. 3 chapters and a table of contents. This part is also important, because sometimes when the AI writes the book, it does not write a table of content or a conclusion page or an introduction page. So I'm just going to ask it to write that as well before we send it off. And the conclusion, I think that's pretty much about it. Alright, now we wait. So the book is being written at the moment, so we're gonna wait until it's finished. There we go. The AI is writing away. So there we have the chapter 1 written, chapter 2. We have chapter 3. And then we have the conclusion. So there's our book right there. Alright, so once this is done, we're going to be copy and pasted between Canva and ChatGPT. So the book is complete. It has been written by ChatGPT. Now we're going to go over to Canva. So in Google, alright, so you're going to type in canva.com in Google, and it'll lead you over to Canva. If you don't have an account, you can just continue with your Gmail. Alright, I already have an account, so it's going to take me directly to my account. Alright, so there we go, it's loading. Alright, and one thing, guys, that you don't have to do. Alright, so we just go right here to ebook cover. You don't have to go to create a design. Alright, save yourself the time and the trouble. Just click on ebook cover. It's going to open the standard size for the ebook cover, alright, and for the size of an ebook. So just click on that, and you'll see what happens. It's going to open a blank page for the regular ebook size. So pay close attention to that part, guys. Alright, so give it some time to load. There we go. Alright, so you have a blank page there that can be used for the cover. Alright, or it can be used for the first page for the book. So we're going to be, as I said before, we're going to be going back and forth between Canva and ChatGPT. We're going to go over to ChatGPT. and we will be just copying and pasting. So there's the book. Alright, so we're just gonna copy the title first, the dangers of drug abuse. Let's copy that along with the chapters, the table of contents with the chapters. Alright, so let's just copy. Once you have done that, we're gonna head back over to Canva. We're gonna click on text, add a text box, clear out your paragraph text, then we're gonna paste what we just copied from ChatGPT. Now we're going to shape it up, guys. We have the guidelines at the side and the circles at the edge. We're going to use those to push and pull it. So we're going to push the lines at the side, push it in. Alright. We're going to move it up a bit. Now we're going to remove that title from there, word title. Then we're going to bring it out a bit. Separate the text, separate introduction, the chapters. Alright, so I have to make it look good, guys, so I separate the chapters. Alright, so just use the word enter on your keyboard to separate them. Alright, your phone's the same. Alright, so let's space them out. There we go. And for this one, there we go. Next thing we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna highlight the text. Alright, and change the fonts. So we highlight them. Go up to Canvas hands up there, click on that, select a font that you like. I'm going to select the one that says Roadies, and there we go, change. I'm going to do the same thing for chapter 2, I'm going to highlight it as well, and then click on the same font, there we go, and then chapter 3, do the same, and there we go. Next thing we're going to do is remove those bullet points, right, those number 1 and 2, and so you highlight it, go up to the top, it says list, click on it again, one more time, and there we go, it has been removed. Alright, so guys, just follow this technique and we'll be copying and pasting everything to complete the book. So I'm just going to forward to the end of the book and we continue from there. Alright, so guys, we are down to the conclusion, the last page of the book. Alright, so I've completed chapter 1, 2, 3. As you can see, chapter 3, then there we go, chapter 2. Alright, then we have chapter 1 right there. We have the introduction, and then a blank page at the top right there. This blank page I added for the cover. Alright, so another page, just click on add page or that little plus sign right at the end right there with the rectangle. Alright, so we're gonna go over now to an app called Leonardo.ai. That's what we're gonna do. You can create a cover from scratch, but to make life easier, we're gonna do this. So go into Google and type in Leonardo.ai. Alright, that's the one right here. Alright, because this generate many images, guys. You just give it the command. You soon see what I'm talking about. Once it loads, I'll show you. I already have an account, so it's going to go straight to my account. You can create an account, or you can just sign in with your Google account. It's going to give you the option to do so. Okay, so now we are in Leonardo.ai. This is what it looks like. We're going to select image creation, that option right there, and we're going to type our text. Alright, so this is a text that I entered earlier because I was creating a different book. But I'm going to erase this, and I'm going to ask it to create a cover. Alright, remember the book is about drug abuse, so this is what it came up with. Alright, so I'm just going to select one of these. Some of these have a name on them, yeah, it does at times, but this is just a tutorial purpose. I'm just going to select this one right here. Click on that arrow that's pointing down to download. Once the download has been completed, we're going to go back over to Canva. Alright. Now we're going to upload that image that we just downloaded from Leonardo. Click on upload files. Then we're going to select the file there, click on open, wait for it to upload on Canva. There it is. Okay, then we're going to go to elements. We're going to look for a grid. Alright, because grids help the photo, the picture to fit perfectly on the canvas. So look for grids, the first one right there. Then we're going to go back to uploads, select the image. Alright, click on the image right there. We're just going to push the image, and there it goes, it fits perfectly. Alright, and there we have it. The cover for the book is ready. The next step that we're going to do, guys, so we have the book completed with the cover and everything. The next step, we're going to download the book, but we got to download the cover first. So we'll go to share, click on down. Alright, so then now next step we're going to do is we're going to change it from here. The pages, we're going to add just one, the number 1, because the one is the cover for the book. Alright, then we're going to change it, save it, and click. There we go. Alright, so once the download for the cover is complete, we're going to download the book in its entirety. Alright, there we go. Cover is being downloaded. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is to download the book. Same process. Click on share, tap on the download icon. Then we're going to change it over from PNG to PDF. Has to be changed over to PDF. Okay, wait for it to download. There we go. Alright, so there we go. The book has been downloaded, also the cover. So we're gonna head over now to your Beacon store. Alright, so by this time you should have a Beacons account set up already, right? So when the Beacon store open, you go to products. Alright, because that's what we'll be adding. We'll be adding a product. Alright, so let's wait for it to load. This was a product that I was working on earlier. Alright, and this is a new Beacons account that I created for this purpose. And right there, that is set up. You would need to link your PayPal account to Beacons. It's very easy. Just click on it and follow the steps once you already have a PayPal. I'm not able to do this because I don't want to compromise my existing PayPal account, okay, with 2 different Beacons accounts. Alright, so once you have done this one, you only need to set it up one time, and then you can upload your books without that problem. Alright, so once it has been linked once, you don't need to link it again. So just click on setup, log into your PayPal and link it, and that's it. Alright, so we're gonna add this product now. So you see we're seeing new product right there to your right. We're gonna click on that icon that says new product. Alright, so digital product, we're gonna close this off. There we go. Alright, so the product is right over there, and we're gonna edit this. Alright, so that's the default that Beacons give us. So we're gonna edit it. We're gonna upload the file. When you select this, we're gonna upload the PDF file. Right, the book that we just created and saved on our device. So we're gonna select it from here and upload it. Okay. Alright, so there we go. Look for the file now. There it is. Alright, so select the file. Click on open to upload it. Tap on next. Alright. Wait for it to upload, and there it is. Okay, now move on to the next step. Alright, so the image now, the name, we're going to change that name, and we're going to change the image, we're going to change the price, everything. So click on the image, delete it, upload your image. We're going to upload the cover that we created on Leonardo.ai. So we're going to look for that cover. There it is. Select it. Click on open, wait for it to upload. There we go. Click on custom, so it will fit. Right, the entire image will fit. There we go. Accept. Right after you have done this, you click on accept, the accept button. There we go. Alright, now the next step we're going to move on to, guys. Alright, so we're going to click on the title. Alright, so clear that out and add the title of our book right there. We're also going to change the price. Alright, so we click on that as well to change the price. Alright, click on the little pencil icon. So we're going to put it at markers on sale. Then we're going to put the original price. Let's see, let me put the original price for about $24.99, and then we do the original price. Let's say yes for $5.99. Alright, so the title now. Remember, we're going to put our book title right here. Clear that out. Clear it out. Then we add the title of our book: The Dangers of Drug Abuse. Alright. So we have the name, the price set, the book cover preview. Alright. So we're going to click on this icon up here to see what it looks like on a phone. So that's the phone view. Alright. So everything checked except for this text. This text down here needs to be edited. Alright, you can use it and just clear out certain parts out of it and put in the name of your book, the title of your book. Alright, but we're not going to do that. I'm going to clear out everything and I'm going to add the description for the book right there. I'm going to go back over to ChatGPT and use the description. The introduction for the book that ChatGPT created, it's also the description of the book, because it's telling you what the book is about. So I'm going to go over to ChatGPT. Then I'm going to just copy this introduction right here. And I'm going to use it over on beacons. So go back over to beacons. And we're going to paste it in there. There we go. Alright, so we have the description of the book. So we're going to click on this icon right here. This is how you're going to copy the link for your product. And that's it for this lesson. Join me in the next one, guys, where I'll show you how to market on social media.